Hey R2Q5, are you ready to show us how to care for a droid? To start your droids, you'll need to open the Droids by Sphero app on your smart device. Make sure your device's Bluetooth is enabled to connect to your droid. Once your app is open, tap the Connect button to find available droids. Once your droid has been located, tap its picture to connect. Good morning, droids! Follow the on-screen instructions to orient your droid. This will help your droid tell directions when it's time to drive. Once you've aligned your droid, tap the drive icon. Ready to roll, BB-8? Drag your finger along the drive pad to control which direction your droid travels. Your droids may need to practice their driving before they get the hang of it. Ready to learn some tricks, R2? Tap the preset trick options and see what your droid does. Tap on the Draw Path option to draw a path for your droid to travel. Drag your finger to draw a path. Good job, Q5. There are lots of things you can do with your droids, but eventually, they'll get tired. To charge your droid, plug in your droid's micro USB cable into your droid's micro USB port. Once your Spheros are all tucked in, you can read them a bedtime story. BB-8 recommends Good Night, Darth Vader.